Hey guys, I came to do a quick video for you guys. Something to, just to give y'all a little something for today. But anyway, today I am having a sip and shop event today. And I am super excited. Like I was saying before, I have an online boutique. If you want to purchase these earrings, these are called the Benji Time 3. Earrings on my website, they're $11.99. Also, I have these eyelashes on my website. They're called the You See Me eyelashes. I also have these